Why do erasers turn black? The hidden chemistry of mistakes. You've seen it 100 times. A brand new pink eraser slowly turning dark and dirty as you use it. But have you ever wondered why erasers turn black? Is it dirt? Graphite? Or is there something chemical and kind of genius happening right under your fingertips? Let's rewind history. Before erasers existed, people used breadcrumbs to remove pencil marks. Yes, literal bread. In the 1700s, artists and writers rubbed soft crumbs over paper to lift graphite. Then, in 1770, British engineer Edward Nern accidentally grabbed a piece of rubber instead of bread and discovered it erased even better. That's how the rubber eraser was born. The word rubber actually came from this use because it rubbed out mistakes. But early rubbers had a flaw. They crumbled, smelled bad, and aged quickly. So, in 1839, Charles Goodyear changed everything with vulcanized rubber. A tougher, more flexible version that didn't rot. Now, here's where the black magic starts. When you erase something, you're not removing pencil marks. You're actually lifting graphite particles off the paper. Graphite, the gray material in pencils, is a form of carbon, the same element found in soot or charcoal. When you rub an eraser, friction softens its rubber and makes it slightly sticky. That stickiness traps graphite, dust, and even paper fibers. Over time, all that carbon and debris gets smeared across the eraser's surface, turning it gray or black. In other words, the eraser isn't getting dirty, it's doing its job perfectly. And here's a bonus fact. Not all erasers behave the same. White vinyl erasers contain fine abrasives that gently scrape graphite away. They don't just absorb it. Kneaded erasers, used by artists, literally eat graphite. You can stretch and clean them by hand. So the next time your eraser turns black, don't think of it as used up. Think of it as a tiny sponge of science, filled with every mistake you ever made and Flashback Facts, erasing the past, one story at a time.